Ever felt like you can't escape the lingering effects of cannabis in your system? Or worried about how long it might show up on a test? You're not alone. For anyone who's ever used cannabis and wondered how long it will stick around, or what to expect from a detox, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of cannabis through your body. We'll break down what's really happening with THC and other compounds, how long they stay in your system, and what you can do to support your body as it naturally cleans itself out. This is especially important for those who may be looking to start fresh, or just curious about how this process works. Section 1. Why detoxing from cannabis takes time. Cannabis isn't a single ingredient, it's a cocktail of compounds. Tetrahydrocannabinol, THC, is the main one, responsible for that familiar high, but once that high is gone, THC doesn't just disappear. Unlike many other substances, THC is fat-soluble. That means it hangs out in your body's fat cells, staying longer than you might think. Key points: THC's relationship with fat. THC attaches to fat molecules, which is why it can stay in your body for weeks, even months. Different cannabinoids, different timelines. Cannabis contains over 100 cannabinoids, each with its own shelf life in your system. This adds complexity to the detox process. Factors that affect detox time: variables like your metabolism, body fat percentage, and how often you use cannabis all play a role in how long it takes to fully clear your system. Think of it like cleaning out a room in your house. If you've got just a few items to tidy up, it'll be quick. But if you've been storing things up for years, it'll take a lot longer to sort through and clear it all out. Section 2. How long cannabis stays in the body. Let's talk specifics. Different methods can show how long cannabis remains in your system, and each one tells a different story. Hair. THC can be detected in hair for up to 90 days. Your hair is like a scrapbook, holding on to remnants of what's passed through your body for months. Urine. Most common tests can detect THC in urine for up to a month or more, especially if you're a frequent user. Think of it as a snapshot of your body's waste management system. Saliva and blood. THC is detectable in saliva for up to 48 hours, and in blood for up to 36 hours. These are short-term methods, giving a glimpse of recent use. Sweat. This lesser-known method can show traces for up to 2 weeks, like a lingering reminder of what was in your bloodstream. Here's a thought: if you are a heavy cannabis user, you could potentially test positive for THC even months after stopping. Your body needs time to rid itself of those extra layers of stored cannabinoids. Section 3. Side effects of cannabis detox. You might be thinking, what happens if I just stop? For those who've used cannabis heavily over a long time, stopping can bring some noticeable withdrawal symptoms. These can feel uncomfortable, but they're often a normal part of the detox process. Common symptoms: insomnia. The body misses that calming effect of cannabis, which can make it tough to fall asleep. Headaches. These can show up due to the body readjusting, as it learns to function without its regular dose of THC. Mood swings and irritability. Just like any detox, it takes time for the brain to rebalance itself, which can lead to temporary changes in mood. Loss of concentration. It's normal to feel a little foggy while your brain gets used to the absence of cannabis. Think of it as if you're upgrading a computer. It needs to reset and reboot, clearing out old programs before it runs smoothly again. Section 4. Tips for easing the detox process. So, what can you do to support your body while it's detoxing from cannabis? Luckily, some simple lifestyle adjustments can go a long way in helping your body move through this phase. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. It helps flush toxins from your system and keeps you feeling better overall. Try to drink at least 8-10 glasses a day. Exercise regularly. Because THC is stored in fat cells, getting active can help burn fat and release those last traces of cannabinoids. Eat a clean diet. Avoiding fatty foods can prevent additional THC storage, and eating fruits and veggies gives your body the nutrients it needs to recover. Avoid caffeine. Cutting back on stimulants like caffeine can help manage symptoms like headaches and irritability. Relaxing baths. A warm bath can ease discomfort and help you relax. It's an easy, soothing way to support your body during detox. Section 5. How drug tests detect cannabis. If you're concerned about passing a drug test, it helps to understand how these tests work. The most common type is a urine test, and it doesn't just look for THC, it's searching for a specific byproduct called THC-CoO. This compound lingers in the body for longer than THC itself, especially in those fat cells. Types of tests. 1. Urine tests can detect cannabis for up to 3 months in frequent users. 2. Hair tests capture use over the past 90 days, ideal for a long-term view. 3. Saliva and blood tests, better for detecting recent use, up to a couple of days. 4. Sweat tests, though less common, these can show use for 1-2 weeks. Think of a drug test like a forensic search. It's not just looking for evidence of a crime, but clues left behind that tell a story. THC's fat-soluble nature makes it a stubborn guest, and drug tests are designed to catch even the smallest traces. Section 6. Detox products. Do they work? There are countless products out there promising to detox cannabis from your system. You'll find tablets, mouthwashes, and shampoos claiming to help you pass tests. But do they work? The truth is, these products may only affect specific types of tests. Urine detoxes, for example, work by flushing your kidneys. However, they can also make your sample appear diluted, which can cause the test to be flagged as contaminated. It's important to remember that no product can completely remove THC from your body. The best way to detox is to let your body's natural processes take over. Think of it like gardening, no amount of fertilizer will magically grow flowers overnight. You have to give it time, care, and patience. Conclusion: a personal journey to a fresh start. Detoxing from cannabis is a process that takes time, patience, and self-care. Remember, how long THC stays in your body depends on many things: your body type, usage habits, and overall health. Everyone's journey is different, and it's okay to take things one day at a time. For those looking to detox from cannabis, or just curious about the process, understand that it's more about embracing your body's natural rhythm. As you go through this, it can be empowering to know that your body is designed to heal and reset. So, take a deep breath, be kind to yourself, and know that you're on the path to a cleaner, fresher start.